We are heading on vacation tomorrow, so let's collect eggs before we go. Nope. Nope, nope, no. Absolutely not. We've already done the lesbian hens. No, no, no. And it's the same ones. No. You need to go. Get out. You two, get out. All that, and we got one egg. 2, 3. No. You don't even have anything. You bite. 4, 5. 6, 7. 8, 9, 10. What do you got, girlfriend? Absolutely nothing. You? Oh! 11, 12. Guys, we got a full dozen so far. Out! Out! To the left. Okay, we were at 12. We had a dozen. Let's see, what do you got, girlfriend? 13, 14. And you out. You out. 14 eggs. Thank you, ladies.